Yes, so they can introduce about yourself.
First of all, good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Madhavi. We are 3 members in my family, including me. I am native to Siddipet. I completed my graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communication at Indian Institute of Engineering and Technology. Currently, I want to secure a job with our company. My long-term goal is by gaining work experience of 5 to 7 years in the field of developer and contributing to the workplace and society. I am self-motivated and disciplined, so I always need to upskill myself by learning new things wherever I get a chance. This is about me. Thank you, sir.
Let's discuss about core Java that you have mentioned in your resume. Okay. So, what do you know about Java?
So Java is an high-level programming language. It can run on any operating system which is existing on internet. It was developed by James Gosling in the year 1990. Initially, Java is called as Hook. Later, it is from Highland, and which is located in Indonesia. It is open source. It is platform dependent.
What are the operators we have in Java?
First of all, operator is a symbol which is which is used to perform operation. Like operations there are 7 types: arithmetic operation, relation operation, comparison operation, compound operation, new operator, increment and decrement operator, and bitwise operators.
So, what are the conditional statements we have?
Conditional statements are used to check the condition. If condition is satisfied, they will execute the code. Like conditional statements are nested, simple if, nested if else, else if ladder, and nested if else, and finally switch conditions.
Okay, very good. What are looping statements?
So first of all, looping is used to iterations. Looping statements are classified into for loop, do loop, and while loop.
What is a method?
So methods are set of instructions which are grouped together. Methods are used to perform operations, and the method contains method implementations and method iterations. Methods are executed when it is called. Like method iteration coming access modifiers, access specifiers, and like method name and format arguments. Like
What is compile time binding?
compile time binding is the process of binding method calling statements and method implementation based on the method name and format argument during compile time is known as
What is this? What is method ambiguity?
So method ambiguity is also known as constructor chaining problem. Superclass statement in subclass is confused to call the constructions of the superclasses, so it is called method space.
So you are talking about constructor ambiguity. Method ambiguity is something different, having the same method signatures but different data types. That is method ambiguity. So you correct yourself. What are global members?
So members which are declared within class are called global members.
Okay, it is classified into how many types?
Global members are classified into 2 types: static and non-static. Under static, we are again classified into representing 3 types: static methods, static variables, and static instruction blocks.
How does static members will be loaded?
Static members are loaded with the help of keyword statics.
So what about non-static members? What do you know about non-static members?
Members which are does not declared with static keyword is non-static members. Like we have default, we have declared that non-static.
What is difference between class and object?
Sorry, class is a blueprint of an object. Class contains group of objects, and the class which does not exist in a physical world. Coming to object, it is existing physical in real world, and it is instance of class. Like car is in a class, and we have car names, or it is an object.
So what is constructor?
Constructor is a special method, sir, and we have any number of parameters with different parameters. So with the help of constructor, we can call the properties of an object.
So what is constructor overloading?
In a class, we have any number of methods methods with different parameters and different variables. So constructor overloading is many number of constructors. So by using supercon and these call statements, we have to call the main methods.
But constructor overloading represents creating different types of objects of same type. Right. So you have to revise about constructor overloading. What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is the process of binding features and behaviors into single units. Encapsulation is performed by using set elements.
So what are the types of relationships we have in Java?
We have two types of relationships: as a relationship, is a relationship. As a relation is also called as composition. Is a relationship is inheritance. As a relationship is one object is using another object is own property.
What about inheritance?
The process of inheriting features and behaviors of from superclass to subclass is known as inheritance.
What are the types of inheritance we have?
There are 5 types of inheritance: single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance.
What is constructor chaining? So you cannot recall. What is the job of this call statement?
To call the construction solution of superclasses.
This call.
This call superclass statements.
What is the job of supercall?
Superclass statement is used to call the constructors.
So you correct yourself. This call is used to call the constructor of same class. Supercall is used to call the constructor of superclass. So, what is method overloading?
In a class, we have any number of methods with the same numbers but different properties. So method overloading can be performed by method signatures. Method signatures like method name along with format arguments are known as method signatures.
What is method overriding?
The process of overriding superclass method implementation by the subclass method implementation during compiler is known as method overriding.
How to achieve multiple inheritance?
Multiple inheritance can be achieved by using inheritance.
Using
Inheritance interfaces.
interface. Why you can be achieved with the help of class?
With the help of class, we can achieve only 0 to 100% abstraction, because in class we have non-primitive construct methods.
Fine. So you have to revise little bit about core Java, especially OOPS concept. Okay. Okay, you can leave.